What are the odds of surviving both a shark attack and a lightning strike? Meet Erik Norrie, the man who defied nature's deadliest forces. While spearfishing in the Bahamas in 2013, Erik was attacked by a shark, which left him with severe wounds. Miraculously, he managed to escape and get the medical help he needed. But Erik's survival story doesn't end there. Years earlier, he had been struck by lightning while on a family vacation. The bolt knocked him unconscious, yet he lived to tell the tale. Erik Norrie's incredible resilience and luck in facing these extreme dangers make his story almost unbelievable. His experiences remind us that sometimes truth is stranger than fiction.